that way. Do this way. Yes. Yes. Good job. First time is everybody's carrying. After that, you know, you feel that how to work.
My phone just vibrated in my back pocket, and I was like,
I saw that.
Is this one good?
Yeah.
This is like how hot wax is too. You have to be real careful.
Yeah, it's like wax. I burned my finger by wax yesterday.
Yeah, it's very easy, you know.
Be careful.
Okay, so
make it, and
on
you
top?
have to bend all. Do you see the metal? I didn't see.
A little bit.
We did on this side. I don't see it.
And what about this side?
This side we saw it here.
No.
It's right there.
Just this corner. What about all edge? Do you see